Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching.
Hit you on BBM, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. Going off opiates, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's just jump right in. So today we have a unit from Sensationnel. It is from their Dashley lace wig collection. They have the HD lace on this one, and this one is in the style lace unit 19, and it's in flamboyage auburn. So yeah, here she is. She is really long, as you guys can see, like super long. So if you are gonna wear this one, like, let's just get this out the way, if you are gonna wear this one in the summertime, you're definitely gonna want to wear her at night because she's pretty long, and I think she would be like really hot during the daytime. So yeah, let's just jump right in. So as far as the Dashley collection goes, it's not one of my favorites because I don't know, like, they have cute units, but it's just not one of my favorites. I really love the butter lace and the vice and of course the what lace. Dashley has just always been at the bottom of my list. But however, I do like the Dashley collection for the fact that it is very easy and simple to slay, and it's perfect for beginners. So I do try to share those units with my fabulous divas in case you are a diva who is a beginner or you just want something that's quick, throw on and go. I feel like the Dashley unit definitely provides that for you. So overall, the cap construction is, I would say, okay. I'm not going to say that it's perfect. As far as comfortability and everything, it is very comfortable. It is big head friendly. If you do have a smaller size head, then you can just go in and use the adjustable straps and you'll be fine. But this unit is big head friendly. As far as the lace and the lace goes, the lace is very thin. It's very easy to melt within your skin. However, this hairline and everything is very dense, as you guys can see. Like, this is the hairline. So yeah, and then the parting space, it's okay, it's passable, but it is pretty tight. So as far as like when we're talking about like getting with the times of the HD lace and the parting and everything, I feel like this one is lacking that. I feel like the other collections by Sensationnel definitely does a lot better job. That's why I tend to steer away from this one. But however, like I said, I want to bring beginner friendly options to my fabulous divas. So I'm just not a fan of the dense hairline and parting area, so I'm not a fan of that. As far as the hair texture goes, the hair texture is really nice. It's super soft and it has like a light yaki texture, like super light, like the lightest yaki texture you could feel, but it is like a very soft type of hair. And then it does have shedding and tangling, which is to be expected. I mean, look at how long it is on me. This falls at like a 26 inch and I am 5'2", so this is pretty long. I was expecting to get some shedding and tangling. However, it's not anything that is too excessive, but you will experience that. So overall, for this unit, I would give it like a 7 out of 10 because of the fact that, I don't know, I can't get with the parting area and the hairline. But it is, I mean, it's still a look, like it still looks cute, but in the same token, I don't know, like I feel like Sensationnel has done so much better. So because I've seen their amazing work, like this is like the least that they could have done, but that's just my personal opinion. However, it is still a very beautiful unit. Would I purchase her again? Probably not. Especially because of this length. It's so long, and then also just because I don't like the cap construction, so no. But would I recommend her to you, fabulous divas? I would and I wouldn't. I would if you want a long unit that you can rock very easily and it's an easy application. I would definitely recommend it because, like I said, the unit does have a nice quality to it as far as the hair goes and everything, but it's just, you know, like the parting situation. And I wouldn't recommend it if you are expecting something like the wet lace or the vice or the butter lace. Like, I definitely would not recommend it because I know you will be disappointed. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out if you are interested. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you and know what you are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely don't want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.